of the Aloft Hotel. You walk in, here's the door with all your emergency information. Walk in, big open space. You have a safe there. Little sitting area, some storage underneath there. Closet, open closet. And we have a sink area. Storage, we have a dryer, towels, a trash can. We actually have the restroom part, and the toilet, and the big walk-in shower. Walk-in shower. The dry bar products. Another cleanser, retangler, another cleanser. This is the big walk-in shower. Very spacious restroom. The living area. Mirror. Large TV. And a little small coffee pot. Little teas. A mini fridge down here. Rings on each side. See the USB? Yes, we do. We have some right here. On the clock. King size bed. Little sitting area, chair, table. A little seat or couch. And a little sitting area for your suitcase and some more storage. And we actually have a corner view. So one side we're looking out, we're looking at the parking lot across from the hotel. Hands around. The other side is looking at the actual cruise port. There's a little area outside there. You can go outside. It just started raining in here, so it's drying up, but it's wet out there. But a little area you can sit at. And there's the actual cruise port. See the ship. Like the Princess. That's how close we are to the actual cruise port. So big windows, corner lot. And this is the Aloft Hotel in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This is the room tour. Nice hotel, only a few years old. So this is where we'll be staying for one day, and then tomorrow we actually get on the ship. That's the room tour.